Lucas Hernandez. Lineker. Now with Ginola. Griezmann. The free kick decision goes the way of Barcelona. Robinson. Goalkeeper has it. Lineker. Hernandez. And the ball with De Bruyne, and he's making progress. High pressing and good high pressing. Kevin De Bruyne. Ginola. Shearer. Van Nistelrooy. And he's in. Ginola. Gary Lineker. Still on level terms, moving the ball nicely. Rather the final analysis, a bit harmless. And with that, the first half draws to a close.
Please remind you that racism will not be tolerated in any form, and offenders will be removed from the stadium.
So they get the ball rolling in the second half. Even Steven here. So little to choose between the sides. Grealish. Ginola. Lineker with it. And no problems at all for the keeper. Pedri. Gary Lineker. Ginola.
Happy birthday to Nathan Walker, celebrating
De Bruyne. Van Nistelrooy has it. And into the last 30 minutes now. Sound piece of goalkeeping. Ginola. And winning it back. Van Nistelrooy, can they forge ahead? Oh, in it goes at long last. Deadlock broken. Will that be the one that gives them the win?
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. But he's still got so much work to do. Just look at the strength he shows to hold off the defender and still get his shot away. That's a really good finish.
Well, back underway, and that should really shake up Barcelona a bit, you would think. Grealish. David Ginola. Nicely cut out. ʟɪꯙᴇ. Now we're inside the final 15 minutes. And De Bruyne in a useful looking position, but will there be an end product?
Well, not much time left now, and these supporters are doing everything they can to get their team over the finish line. What an atmosphere.
Now, who can he play it to? But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Kevin De Bruyne. Barcelona fighting against this overall situation. What can they pull out of the fire? Has to be. There it is. And he could scarcely have had an easier finish.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a simple finish in the end. But where was the defending? That's just not good enough.
And that is going to be all for this game. Well, we were treated to goals, but no winners in the end. Stuart, what did you make of it?
Well, Derek, it was certainly entertaining. Both sides had periods of the game where they were dominant, but overall, I think the draw is just about the right result.
De Bruyne, Victor Osimhen. Now Mo Salah. And Portugal regaining possession. Alan Shearer. And Real Madrid have the ball again. So plenty of forward momentum from Real Madrid here. Mbeumo. And it's with Shearer. Kane. Salah. And on to Osimhen. Vinicius Junior. Excellent assessment of the situation at the back. Vinicius Junior. A danger here as he runs at them. Must take the lead here. Oh no, and that's a really disappointing effort from there. Victor Osimhen. This is Salah. Osimhen. 3 minutes of stoppage time, that's what the officials have said. Salah. Osimhen is with Vinicius Junior. Given away by Real Madrid. Van Nistelrooy. The first half here comes to an end.
Wanting prospect to take place first, Mr. Moon is in the building.
And as the second half commences, both sides can reflect on a first half in which they were so very evenly matched. Mbeumo. Palacios. Well, nothing comes of it. Bruyne. Alan Shearer. Vinicius Junior for the lead here. And hit with ferocity. It was close, but not quite good enough. White. De Bruyne. Salah. Now Harry Kane. And Real couldn't hang on to the ball. Shearer. He's in with a chance. Well, how about that for a piece of tackling to break things up? And into the last 20 minutes. Osimhen. Harry Kane. Osimhen. Is it going to be? Danger averted. Kevin De Bruyne. And in the right position to read it.
Well, what a final few minutes we have here. And the fans are certainly playing their part. But
will he find the net? Emphasis on the clearance, a good one. 5 minutes remaining. And level pegging here. De Bruyne. Mbeumo. And they still have designs on the win. Can he put them in front? Can they cover up? And the attack fizzling out. And that is that. The full-time whistle here. And nothing to separate the two sides at all over 90 minutes. It finishes 0-0. Stuart, your take.
Well, Derek, I was expecting more from both teams. You certainly can't criticise the effort, but there was a real lack of creativity and goal. Neither side did enough to win the game.
On what is a fine day for football, I'm delighted to be able to report. My name's Derek Ray, and delighted to have alongside me, as usual on these occasions, Stuart Robson. And with the atmosphere really building up nicely, we should be in for a terrific contest. It's Portugal taking on Manchester United.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
De Bruyne off the post and back in play. And that was a very fine read. Well, it could be on for him here. No danger now. Opportunity still there. And a goal to open the scoring. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, here it is again, and the clearance just isn't good enough. Giving up possession in a dangerous area, just poor defending all round.
So on they go again, and that really should shake up United. Can they find a response now? Van Nistelrooy. Vinicius Junior. Oh my goodness! What an outrageous hit! I can't believe he took it on from there, and neither can the goalkeeper.
Well, let's take another look, because this is a special goal. He's so far out when he strikes it. He couldn't have hit that any better.
So the ball rolling again. 2-0 the score. And in with a real chance. And a close offside decision as they were threatening. Palacios. Well, when all was said and done, Stuart, he wasn't a million miles away.
No, he wasn't, because he generates so much power from that sort of distance. His technique is brilliant.
Cordoba. Van Nistelrooy. Well, they're going to be very cross with themselves because that was a wasted opportunity. Ezequiel Palacios. Portugal looking dangerous. Oh, that's a fine pass. Is this the moment? In it goes! A 3-goal cushion! This is astonishing stuff!
Well, as you can see, what a good bit of play this is. The build-up is excellent, 1 and 2 touch passing, clever movement and a fairly simple finish. Great team goal.
On with the action then, and it's looking rather like a matter of how many for Portugal. So the whistle then, we're at the halfway stage in this match. The second half underway, and United left with a real mountain to climb. Good use of the ball, but can they trouble the defence? He's in with a chance. And it's got to be. In it goes! Such a complete performance. 4 in front now.
Well, as you can see, he gave the keeper no chance there. He looked so confident, didn't he? That's a cool finish.
And this is turning into something of a rout. 4-0. Ezequiel Palacios. Well, he's given us away. Okocha. Okocha has it. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Hernandez. Thuram. Dembele. Alexander-Arnold. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Now moving the ball impressively here. Just wanted to get it out of there. Alan Shearer. 10 minutes to go. It's going to be United's free kick. JJ Okocha. And he takes it away. Oh, surely. Can he convert? Sound piece of goalkeeping. And the final whistle here, a real sense of feel-good in the Portuguese camp on the back of this victory, Stuart.
Well, correct, they were the better team all over the pitch. We saw good individual performances, we saw an attack which was always threatening, and they played really well. What a performance that was today.
On what is a fine day for football, I'm delighted to be able to report. My name's Derek Ray, and delighted to have alongside me, as usual on these occasions, Stuart Robson. And the general feeling is we should be in for a spellbinding occasion. It's Portugal up against Leeds United.
Thanks, Derek, as always. This should be a good game. Great atmosphere inside the stadium. We've got two teams full of quality, some interesting matchups, and two coaches that want to play an attractive brand of football. What more could you ask for?
And there it is, the opening goal, the ideal way to start.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really inviting ball played into the box, begging players to attack it. And then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
Number 3.
And back underway. 1-0 it is. Openda. Horta with it. Deciding to give it to the keeper, and the keeper has it now. Rayeesaqu. Theo Hernandez now is with Vinicius Junior. Shearer. And well positioned to clear. And Portugal have it back now. Fairly easy for the referee to spot that deflection, so now a throw in. Can he put it away? And a goal to increase their advantage. It's a 2-goal lead now.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. Just look how well balanced he is. He knows he's going to be under pressure, but he shows great composure to hit the target.
Goal.
2-0 here, and the ball is moving again. Openda. Joelinton. Perfect tackle. Palacios. Van Nistelrooy. Good looking ball. And behind it's gone for a corner. And a goal! Wonderful stuff as they accelerate away from the opposition.
Let's see this again, because the delivery into the box couldn't be any better. Played into just the right area, but the finish is far too easy. He doesn't even have to jump. How has he afforded that much space? It's a tidy header, but really poor defending.
Openda. Wasteful from Leeds here. And he's broken free. Will he? And you've just witnessed a moment of truly high-class goalkeeping.
You're absolutely right. What a save that is. He's reacted so quickly.
So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage in this. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in this second half. Ricardo Horta. Jadon Sancho. Van Nistelrooy. De Bruyne. And tidily played. Great opportunity. Well, really rifling that one in, and he didn't miss by much. Minge. And fed back to the goalkeeper. Alan Shearer. And he's through here. Brilliant save. It's not a particularly good corner there. And he clears the danger. Van Nistelrooy. A goal! An exceptional performance this. 4 to the good now. A lopsided contest, 4-0. 20 minutes to go. And he's in. Opportunity still there. Was it a great clearance? And the shot. Oh, there it is! It's one goal after another, and it speaks to the quality of that performance.
Well, here it is again, and the clearance just isn't good enough. Giving up possession in a dangerous area, just poor defending all round.
And time for the change now. My goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. ʟɪဋᴇ. 10 minutes to go then. Oh, he's given us away. Oh, what an opportunity. He can't hold on to it. Well, it comes to nothing in the end. ʴ̈ricardo, and the final whistle here, a real sense of feel-good in the Portuguese camp on the back of this victory, Stuart.
You're absolutely right, Derek. Their attacking play was excellent, full of energy and pace, and the midfield completely dominated the game. It was a great all-round performance.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test.
Report. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, at the microphone, and sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player, Stuart Robson. And with the atmosphere really building up nicely, we should be in for a terrific contest. It's Kerala Blasters up against Portugal.
Thanks, Derek. Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, hitting the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible.
Can he put it away? And there it is! The opening goal, the ideal way to start.
Well, I won't get tired of watching this. It's an outstanding bit of play. Just look how far he runs with the ball. That's a great goal.
So back underway, having conceded. Let's find out if Portugal can flick a switch and come up with a goal of their own. With a textbook interception. Might be onto something with that ball. And mistimed the run, sadly. That's offside. He's in here, and under pressure, that was a fine claim. And in with a real chance. Surely. Just wanted to get it out of there. And this situation could be dangerous. Mohamed Kudus. Real chance. And a goal to increase their advantage. It's a 2-goal lead now.
Well, just look at his strength here. He holds off the challenge, he keeps his balance, and he finds the back of the net. It's a wonderful goal.
So back underway with the scoreline standing at 2-0. Van Nistelrooy. Mbeumo. Intercepting it intelligently. And he's in. Can he find the net? A goal! They're absolutely racing away with this. 3 to the good now.
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a player he is.
Goal for the host.
Blistering first half display, and just look at that score. So the whistle then, we're up the halfway stage in this match.
Coming up at half-time, there'll be a display from the police dog display pages that's turning this piece for that.
And off and running again here. There was a real gulf in class in the first 45. Will we see an improved effort from Portugal in the second? Vinicius Junior. Kudus. Enzo Fernandez. On to Puskás. Puskás. Oh, could be. A goal! And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, here's the replay. It all starts with the delivery into the box, just begging someone to get on the end of it. But the finish is so easy. He's given far too much time and space. He doesn't even have to jump. Poor defending, you have to say.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. Palacios. Vinicius. And return to Van Nistelrooy. It's got to be. And he's outdone himself. Wonderful save there. Sarni. Back with Cordoba. Could it be Hernandez? He's full. Oh yes, a goal! Exactly what they were looking for, and he's come up with it.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. Just look how well balanced he is. He knows he's going to be under pressure, but he shows great composure to hit the target.
Well, not too much defending going on in the grand scheme of things. 4-1. And really tried to blast that one past the keeper, but his radar was a bit off. Enzo Fernandez. Now we're inside the final 15 minutes. Must be, and a goal! Using his head in more ways than one to help the cause.
Well, here it is again, and what a perfect cross into the box this is. Just inviting someone to attack it, which makes it a fairly simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench.
Goal for the host.
A glut of goals. 5-1 it is. Palacios. Van Nistelrooy has it. You can sense the threat is there. Vinicius. Van Nistelrooy. Spot on with that tackle. Van Nistelrooy, and the referee makes it official. Well, this hasn't gone Portugal's way. Not at all what they had in mind. Stuart, sum it up for us.
You're absolutely right, Derek. While the result was poor, the display was even worse. They never got to grips with the opposition. They were second best in every facet of the game.
Half-time, and they're making home advantage count, I think it's fair to say. Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, what a first-half performance this has been so far. They look like scoring every time they go forward. The positional rotation, the ability of players to run with the ball, and the passing have been brilliant. Let's hope we see a similar display in the second 45.
A glorious chance. Got to it easily, the keeper. Now the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game.
Racism will not be tolerated in any form. Offenders will be removed from the stadium.
So back in business. Wolves' difficulties there for all to see in the first half. How do they respond now? ʟɪධᴇ. Oh, might be. And both hands on it. Good goalkeeping. Ezequiel Palacios. ʟɪධᴇ. So it's going to be a goal kick here. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. Van Nistelrooy, in it goes! Such a complete performance, 4 in front now.
Well, this is a brilliant strike, as you can see. He hits it with so much power. The keeper had no chance. Fantastic finish.
And this is turning into something of a rout, 4-0. Vinicius Junior. And Nistelrooy, and he might be through here. And Portugal regaining possession. Just the clearance that was needed. Van Nistelrooy. Safe pair of hands, did his job. Hämäläinen. A real opening now. It's opened up for him. And there it is, the breakthrough. That will do nicely.
Well, you have to admire this bit of play. Just look how he runs with the ball. He always looked in control, didn't he? That's a brilliant goal.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. ʟɪධᴇ. In with a chance. It's in. They're looking really relaxed and confident and not giving the opposition much of a look in.
Well, as you can see, he doesn't mess about here, does he? He's strong, well-balanced and skillful. That's a top-class finish.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Vinicius Junior. ʟɪධᴇ. Vinicius Junior, can he get one back? It's going to be United's free kick. Well, that's gone out, and it is going to be a goal kick. Hernandez. Leroy Sané. Portugal unable to retain possession, and the free kick awarded to Manchester United. De Bruyne. Vinicius Junior. And it could be, and there it is, another goal, and surely there's no way back from this now.
Well, as we see it again, he was never going to miss that, was he? That's a really simple finish in the end.
Well, you've got to say, an incredible first-half performance. That scoreline tells you all you need to know. And with that, the first half. So into the second half, and no doubt about it, United really need to lift themselves. Dembele. Nicely timed tackle. Van Nistelrooy. Mbeumo. And return to Van Nistelrooy. Will he finish? And hit with ferocity. It was close, but not quite good enough. Dembele. Alexander-Arnold. Dembele. Onto Okocha. Oh, big opportunity. Aware of the threat, solving the problem. Kevin Danso. Ansu Fati. Thuram. Okocha. Alexander-Arnold. Now with the... Oh, what an opportunity! Kevin De Bruyne. Van Nistelrooy. Well, that is a moment he would love to have back because it really was there for him. Just the clearance that was called for. Van Nistelrooy. Mbeumo. Not too fussy in clearing his lines. Rewarded for that brilliant high press. Well, they're going to be very cross with themselves because that was a wasted opportunity. And And the referee says that will do it. It is a win for Portugal, just what they were hoping for. Stuart, your overall assessment?
Well, Derek, they were the better team all over the pitch. We saw good individual performances. We saw an attack which was always threatening, and they played really well. What a performance that was today.
Welcome on what is a fine day for football. I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm Derek Ray, and with me here on the commentary box is Stuart Robson. And everyone here on tenterhooks, you'd have to say, with good reason. What do you anticipate seeing, Stuart?
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
Big chance! He succeeds in clearing it. Dante. And Mateus has it. Mbappe. Oh, I think he'll be kicking himself. Ruled offside.
Well, his instinct should have told him he was offside there. He has to be more alert in the box.
Danger averted. Mbappe. And the struggle to get it away properly. Oh my goodness! He's caught that so well! A goal of the highest class. Fantastic technique.
Well, here it is again, and when you clear the ball, you have to get height and distance on it to give your defence time to readjust. They don't do that, it's a poor clearance, and suddenly the ball's in the back of the net.
Now back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. Alan Shearer, effective looking pass. To square the game! What a contest this is turning out to be!
Well, here's the replay, and what a well-delivered cross this is. Perfectly placed, and then what a strike. That's hit with such ferocity. Certainly no stopping that. That's a great goal.
Osimhen. Here's Mbappe. It's a splendid run by Mbappe. Well, he took care of it defensively. Mbappe. It should be. Well, you've got to give him... And it's in! They're back in front! Stunning scenes here!
Well, here's the replay, and I have to say, the keeper's got his angles all wrong there. That's a poor piece of goalkeeping.
So back underway, being conceded. Let's find out if Portugal can flick a switch and come up with a goal of their own. Osimhen, and he's broken free. And a goal! They've added to the lead. Much needed security.
Well, as you can see, he hits this with so much power, but just look at the follow-through. So athletic. That's a dynamic strike.
No shortage of goals in this match. 3-1. And there it is, the half-time whistle.
Coming up half-time, there will be a display from the police dog display pages that change the piece for that.
So back underway here into the second half. Carlos Alberto. Mateus. Oh, such an elegant finish! How about that on the volley? A brilliant strike, whatever way you look at it.
Well, here it is again, and what a perfect cross into the box this is. Just inviting someone to attack it, and what a finish from Mbappe. He gives the keeper absolutely no chance. It's such a powerful strike.
Alan Shearer is with Vinicius Junior. They do pass the ball with authority. Well, in position to make it a brace, but not to be.
Well, he's certainly been a threat in this game. He's looked so lively.
Good piece of defending. Mbappe. Making progress is Kylian Mbappe. In position. Another goal! The lead grows to 4 now. A rampant display.
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a player he is.
A glut of goals. 5-1 it is. 20 minutes to go. Osimhen. Gullit has it. Well, the attack peters out, and that means it's goalkeeper's ball. Lampard. Gullit. An important interception. De Bruyne. On the ball, Ruud van Nistelrooy. Cleared away comprehensively. Osimhen. Opportunity. The final whistle. And it's gone the wrong way for Portugal in this one. Not at all the result they were hoping for. Stuart, sum it up for us.
You're absolutely right, Derek. While the result was poor, the display was even worse. They never got to grips with the opposition. They were second best in every facet of the game. They need to do a lot of improving before the next time out.
what is a fine day for football, I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, at the microphone, and sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player, Stuart Robson. And we can't wait for this one to start, with justifiable cause. It's Portugal facing Real Madrid.
Thanks, Derek, as always. This should be a good game. Great atmosphere inside the stadium. We've got two teams full of quality, some interesting matchups, and two coaches that want to play an attractive brand of football. What more could you ask for?
Well, he failed to get it away properly. Clear to see who got the last touch, so a throw-in it'll be. Shearer. Great opportunity, and a goal! 1-0, and what a fast start they've made to this game.
Well, as you can see, he's just placed that beyond the keeper. That's a very good finish.
So the action continues. Will there be a quick response from Real? Now Fabio Cannavaro. Cordoba coming away with the ball. De Bruyne. Must be. Safe pair of hands, did his job. Hernandez. Cannavaro. Now Fabio Cannavaro. Clean challenge. Riyad Mahrez. Ronaldinho. Well, Portugal with the ball again. And he might be through here. Well, a piece of quick thinking by the keeper.
Well, that's great goalkeeping. He read it so well, didn't he?
De Bruyne. Palacios. So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage in this match.
Coming up at half-time, there will be a display from the police dog display pages that change these for that.
So back in business, the ball moving again, and Real with a bit of work ahead of them. Vinicius Junior. And they need to get tighter. Well, goal kick, just as it was looking promising. Theo Hernandez. De Bruyne. That'll be a Portugal throw. De Bruyne. De Bruyne has support. De Bruyne! A goal! That's two for him today. They simply can't stop him. No wonder he's celebrating.
Well, you have to admire this bit of play. Just look how he runs with the ball. He always looked in control, didn't he? That's a brilliant goal.
So underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here. Cannavaro. Mahrez. Vinicius Junior. Guerrero. Perfect challenge. Fine work from Portugal to win back possession. Are showing good vision. Shearer. And there it is! Another goal! And surely there's no way back from this now.
Well, he wasn't going to waste this chance. 1v1 against the keeper, and he slots it away with great confidence. That's a good finish.
So back in action. It's been all Portugal so far. You sense there could be extra punishment in store. Frank Lampard. Mahrez. Kevin De Bruyne. De Bruyne. Van Nistelrooy. Shearer. Vinicius. Still a chance. But it just petered out. And the final whistle here, a real sense of feel-good in the Portuguese camp on the back of this victory, Stuart.
Well, it was a very assured performance, wasn't it? I was particularly impressed with their play going forward. Really lively, almost cutting through at will at times. The result was never much in doubt.
Hello, it's great to be with you, and no problems at all on the weather front as we get ready for this match. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player Stuart Robson. And if this game lives up to its billing, we're in for a riveting occasion. It's Portugal taking on Liverpool.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
Well, that takes the wind out of their sails. Great defending. Kevin De Bruyne on the move. They could nudge in front. Oh, tremendous goal! Technical excellence to finish that one off. Wonderful to have that in your repertoire.
Well, here it is again, and that's the perfect volley, isn't it? He strikes it so well. What an excellent finish.
So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. De Bruyne. And unable to pick out a teammate. And that'll be a throw. And cleared away. Ezequiel Palacios. And a good-looking pass. Shearer. Oh, this could be the equaliser. Nicely saved. Not all that convincing defensively. Sound piece of defending. Vinicius Junior. Van Nistelrooy. Oh, a moment of pure class. Had to catch it perfectly, and didn't he just?
Well, here it is again, and you have to say, this is a very good volley. His technique is absolutely perfect.
Back underway, level pegging, 1 goal apiece in this game. Well, he knew he had to get to the ball, and he did. Theo Hernandez. The first half here comes to an end.
Now, please remind you that racism will not be tolerated in any form, and offenders will be removed from the stadium.
Underway then in the second half, and the two teams matching each other just about stride for stride. Real chance. And a goal it is to put them in front again. No less than they deserve.
Well, here we can see it again, and no wonder the manager is furious. They just have to get tighter here, deal with the danger, otherwise that's the outcome. Not good enough defensively.
So back underway, having conceded. Let's find out if Portugal can flick a switch. and come up with a goal of their own. Córdoba. And it's with Shearer. It's with Vinicius Junior. Good technique displayed. Magnificent challenge to win it back. Keeper there to collect. Lucas Hernandez. And he takes it away. Palacios. 20 minutes to go. Van Nistelrooy is with Vinicius Junior. And a simple clearance. Van Nistelrooy. Van Nistelrooy. Well, it clearly was deflected, so it will be their throw-in. Vinicius Junior. Benzema. Garrincha. Well, that ball looks promising. Back now to the goalkeeper. Really inventive stuff from Real here. Must take the lead here. And a goal! Now they have their opener. And now they can celebrate.
Well, as you can see, he hits this with so much power. But just look at the follow-through. So athletic. That's a dynamic strike.
Are back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. ʟɪꯙᴇ. De Bruyne now. Just the challenge that was required. The first half here comes to an end.
Coming up at half-time, there will be a display from the police dog display stations that change the sᴜභsᴄʀɪévᴇ.
Well, it is advantage Real after the first 45 minutes, but there's a long way from being settled. Vinicius Junior. Well, the flag has gone up. It was really close. Well, timed his challenge magnificently. Nice looking pass. Palacios. Van Nistelrooy. An important interception. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. Real did well to regain control of the ball. Osimhen. And a very good challenge. Throw in for Portugal coming up. Shearer. Van Nistelrooy. Really getting stuck in. Goalkeeper has it. Osimhen. Gundogan. Well, this could really help the cause. Just knocked it out of there. And he might be through here. And a goal! They lead by 2 now. And that allows them to breathe a bit more easily.
Well, just look at this. He's so alive to the situation. That's a neat-headed goal in the end.
So the ball rolling again at 2-0. De Bruyne. On the ball, Van Nistelrooy. ʟɪꯙᴇ. Kevin De Bruyne. And the referee makes it official. Well, this hasn't gone Portugal's way. Not at all what they had in mind. Stuart, sum it up for us.
Well, Derek, they weren't at their best today, both as individuals and as a team, and they didn't deserve anything from the game. Need a much better display next time out.